Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do text masking in Canva. Now, this is an awesome skill to have because it allows you to create some pretty amazing designs. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to delete what I have here already. And now I'm going to open the Elements tab on the left over here. And then from the Elements tab, I want to click onto Frames down here. Now I'm going to scroll down until I find the letters and numbers frames. Here we go. So we have all of the letters here, and then we have the numbers down here as well. So I'm going to add some of these letters to my design. I'll just do ABC. And then I will line them up. So I'll go A, and then B, and then C. And I might as well center them as well. So now we are going to find an image that we want to add. So from here, I'll click onto Photos on the left. And we want to find a nice photo that we can use. So I'm going to type in skyline. This one down here is quite nice. So what we're going to do is simply drag this photo into each of these elements. So A, B, and then C. And there we go, that is the first part done. Now I'm going to close this panel, and one at a time I'm going to double click onto each of these letters. I'll start with A, and I'm going to slide the image over so that the left side of the image is masked onto the A, and then I'll hit enter. Now I'll double click onto the B, and we want the center of the image. And it seems to be already pretty much the center. So I'm going to click enter straight away because I'm already happy with it. And now I'll double click onto the C. And we want it to be the right of the image. And then I'll hit enter. And there we go. So we have successfully masked our three letters. The image is also laid out nicely across the three letters because of how we just positioned it. So that is how you mask text using Canva. Now, there is actually another pretty awesome thing that we can do using this technique. So what I'm going to do now is click onto videos down here. And rather than masking an image onto this text, I'm actually going to mask a video. So I'll go for this one just here. And I will drag it into each of these elements. And once again, if you double click onto one of the letters, you can align it to be where you want it to be. So I'll put that one as the left side. And I'll put this one as pretty much the left of the center. And for the C, I'll put it all the way to the right. There we go. So now to make this look even cooler, I'm going to add a background to this design. And I think I'll use this background image just here, the white brick wall. And I'm also going to slightly adjust this background image. I'm going to add a slight blur. And I'm also going to decrease the brightness. So now to see how the design looks with the video masked into the text elements, I'm going to click this play button up here. And as you can see, it looks rather cool indeed. So that is how you mask videos and images onto text elements in Canva. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something new. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.